Hi friends, today I'm showing you these FUTUREPLUSX inflatable drink holders. They are 8 pieces inflatable cup holders used for pool or any other water to hold your drinks. So they are lightweight, nice designs. They are like fruit designs, easy to inflate and deflate, easy to clean, and then good to use. You can hold your drink there, and I can show you that in the end of this video. The flavor or the designs are like apple, cherry, pineapple, strawberry, kiwi, lemon, watermelon, etc. And there's the dual one as well, like for cherry. So once you inflate, then you can put your drink in the middle. So nice color, nice design. So here, like after inflating, how this looks like, and you can put your drink in the middle of it, like here, and it will float very easily. So I tested that in the pool and it's really good. So these are the sizes and the use in the pool.